Hello. Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, thank you very much. And without further ado, please join me in unboxing my Boxyluxe for December 2019. So what is Boxyluxe? Boxyluxe is $49.99 and this is a quarterly box. But you have to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, which is $25 a month to be able to subscribe to Boxyluxe. Okay, so this one has eight full-size items. And let's open this and see what's inside. So when you open this, it looks like this, and it's black in here. I was thinking that it might be red or blue or something like that. So it's black, still the same. And there's a foam, and when you open it, there's a card. Now for this month, the theme is BOXYCHARM Whimsy. And the back tells you what's in the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 items in the box. And the first thing that I'm seeing here is, what is this? This is from Daily Concepts, and this is a daily hair towel wrap. This hair towel wrap helps reduce frizz and maintain healthier hair by cutting the time of blow drying and heat exposure, which ultimately reduces the risk of split ends and excessive damage. And this one retails for $18. Okay, so I guess that's what you do with it. Let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So, oops, something fell off. And it looks like this. I never had a towel wrap before, so I'm gonna be practicing on how to use this. There's a button over here, so maybe, I don't know. I haven't, because there's a thing here, like a garter. I don't know how to use this yet, so I'm gonna learn how to use this kind of towel wrap. Okay, now the next one here is, I think this is the one I chose. Yep, this is from Cosmetics, and this one is the Cosmetics Facial Roller, and this one retails for $69. Oh my gosh, okay, $69. Okay, I'm shocked. Now here's like an instruction here. So you use it in your forehead, cheek, collarbone, and upper arm, hand, neck, shoulder, and cervical spine, and the calves. Okay, so there's a foam and there's the roller. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh my God, that's why it's expensive. This is a very good material. And there's the thing. Says Cosmetics. Okay, so that's what you do, and it says you can use it in your hands, and mostly, you can use it in your back too. Okay, in your cervical spine and in your calves. So I'm happy that I chose this item. Okay, the next one here is, this is my the other one I chose also for the customization. Oops, the box is dirty. Why? Something here that made the box dirty. And this is from Saturday Skin. And this is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. And this one retails for $39. Ooh, so this is how it looks like. And this is made in Korea. There's the cap. Okay, should I open this? I want to open this. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna show you. Okay, that's how it looks like. Okay. I don't know if there's a little scent to it. I don't know if I'm smelling my hand cream, but I think there's some scent that I'm smelling. I just can't figure it out. So that's what it is. And again, this one retails for $39. I'm happy I chose this one. I am gonna feel the cream. I forgot that. Okay. So there it is. And I don't think, yeah, I'm not sure if there's a scent to it, but yeah, I don't think there's a scent. That I am sure now. Okay, so this is a face, it's like a moisturizer, I think. Yep, this is a moisturizer. Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand. Using all 4 fingers, apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into skin. I love moisturizers. And Saturday Skin is a good brand. Okay. Now, the next one that I'm seeing here is, what is this? Oh. Okay. Now, this is from In Beauty. There you go. And this is a Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mask. This one retails for $32, and I'm not gonna open this because I have like 3 mists open right now. And this one is made in USA. So helps to set makeup, energize and revive skin, filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh tired skin. And this is 100 ml, $32. That's a good thing, but I don't know. Is this too expensive? I think this is too expensive for a face mask. And I like that they keep, there's a lot of foam in here to protect the products. Now the next one here, this is the one I'm excited also to get, because I saw the spoiler in some unboxings and I saw this. Ooh, okay. So this is from Seattle, London, and this is the, it's like a mirror thing at the top. This is, where is this? Seattle, London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, and this one retails for $26. Let's open this. Ooh, I really love this one. Okay. Now, here's the shade. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, there's no scent. I'm not smelling any scent, but this is really pretty. Oh, wow. Really pretty. Okay. I'm gonna swatch this. Feels so soft. So that's the shade. Now I'm excited to use this. Love this. Okay. The next one here is, what is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Now this is from Kat Von D, and this is the Dagger Tattoo Liner. And this one retails for $20. I like the style of the box. See, it's not like, it's kind of angled. I'm not gonna open this though. Oops, it's kind of open, but okay. Here's the thing, and I'm not gonna open this because I think right now I have 3 liquid eyeliners open. So there you go. And the next one here is, ooh, I hope this is the one that I want to get. Oh, they sent me the lip gloss. I know I don't want to receive lip gloss all the time. I was hoping to get the other one. And this is the Pretty Penny. I hope you can see that. Pretty Penny. There you go. And this is from Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. And this one retails for $21. The packaging is really pretty, but I don't know if I can use this, so I'm not gonna swatch this one. Okay, I really love the packaging. I was really hoping to get the liquid lipstick, but that's what I got. So, and the next one here is from Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and this one is, wow, this is $48. This gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying, for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones. There you go. And I love this. Gently cleanses face and eyes. And this one is 150 ml. Okay. I'm not gonna open this because I have some face cleansers open right now and a cleansing balm. Oh, it's not sealed, I think. Is it? Let's check. I think it's sealed. Yep, it's sealed. So I don't know if you can see it. There you go. It's sealed. So I'm not gonna open it, but I've heard that this product is a good one. So when I finish my other cleansers, I'm gonna definitely use that. So basically, the one thing right now that I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to use is this lip gloss. Okay, the last but not the least is this one. And this is from Storybook Cosmetics, the Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose Palette. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. It's like a book. There you go. And let's open this. There's a mirror and it says, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. That's true, right? And that's from Hans Christian Andersen. And here are the colors. It's so beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right? So we have, oh, I think I have it upside down. Yeah, I did. Okay. So what are the colors? Is there anything here at the back? So I'm gonna read the colors. Briar Rose, Spindle, Thalia, Castle, Prince, Grim, Beauty, Woodland, Enchanted, Fairies, Thorn, and Kiss. That is just lovely. Love it, love it, love it. Ooh. Should I swatch this? I'm not sure if I'm gonna swatch this. I'm not, yeah, I make up my mind. I'm not gonna swatch this because I have, do I have these colors? I think I do. So, but I'm definitely gonna be using this. I don't want to swatch it yet though, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this right away, but definitely love this. So let's do a recap. Now we have this that I'm definitely gonna be using. So I have here 3. Oh, this one, I'm not sure, maybe I'll give this to my friend. And this one, I'm not sure. So there's out of 9 items. 3, 6, 7. So out of 9 items, there's only 7 items that I'm sure, like 100% I'm gonna be using. And let's total how much I got for the whole box. So the palette, by the way, is $55. So the box is, okay, here's the thing. The box is $49.99 plus I pay $8 for the shipping. So I pay $57.99 for the whole box. And the palette alone is $55. So that almost covered the box. But then again, the roller is $69. So just this alone is way over for what I paid for the box already. So let's total this. 55 plus 39, that is 94. You know what? It's too much for me to calculate. So I'll be right back and I'll get my calculator that I forgot again to grab. So let's calculate this. 55 plus 39 is 94 plus 26 plus 48 for the cleanser plus 18 for the towel wrap and 32 for the mist, and then the tattoo liner is $20 plus the lip gloss is $21 and the roller is $69. So all in all, I have $328 worth of products. Way worth it. I am so happy with this month. It's like a treat. December is like a treat box, right? So that's it. Sold out. I'm sold out for this month. So happy. I'm glad I got this box because majority of the items I am gonna be using, and this is like a treat for me for the month of December. So what do you think of the box? Please let me know. Please leave a comment below. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching. I am very grateful, and I am hoping to see you again on my next video. So happy holidays everyone, and stay safe always. Love you guys. Bye bye.